Navatika, doing my second year in Computer Science and Engineering at PhD College of Technology. I am happy to share that I am one among the top 30 selected participants in this Engineers Day contest. And I extend my sincere thanks to Image Fun Academy for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My idea is to turn sustainability into a game that students would love to play. Have you noticed that students spend a lot of time on games like PUBG, Free Fire without even realizing it? The reason is simple, because these apps gives you some instant points, credits or hidden pool. So imagine if this addictive technology, which makes games like Free Fire, PUBG popular, could be used not just only for entertainment but to build a greener planet. And that's the spark behind my idea. Today, most of the environmental education system is only theoretical. Students learn about sustainability from textbook and they don't even apply it in real life. So the challenge is clear: how do we make sustainability as exciting and engaging as gaming? So that's why I came up with something new called BioNext. Think of BioNext like your favorite game. Like whenever you proceed to the next level, you not just play game over there, you also save our planet indirectly. So this app has 100 interactive levels, and starting with videos about sustainability, short videos, and moving on to the quiz, challenges and some eco-friendly tasks. Every time the student logs in, completes an eco-friendly task or finishes a quiz on that particular day, he or she will get some instant points. At the same time, if the student has planted a tree, uploaded the photo with the location proof, they will earn some bonus points. So, in order to keep students motivated, every month the top 5 active participants in the leaderboard will receive some exciting prizes sponsored by a non-governmental organization. At the same time, it's not only about the toppers. We follow a fair rotation rule, which the same person cannot be the winner every month. So some people might ask me, do students really spend time on these apps? The fact is, even if only 10 to 20% of the students actively participate, the impact is powerful. Imagine if thousands of trees are planted, eco habits are built, and that this awareness is spread among schools and colleges. Really, the impact will be powerful. And BioNext is not just only an app; it's a movement. It makes sustainability as addictive like gaming, and at the same time, small actions by few people can definitely spark a ripple of big change in families and communities. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. With BioNext, let's play our game of saving our planet and let's win together. Thank you.